In 3, 2.
Welcome to another highly seasoned episode of the Cannabis Kitchen. As always, I'm your host, Chef Faye, and today we are making my favorite Baja Street tacos. So we're gonna use chicken on these ones and a strawberry mango salsa. So we're gonna start off by cooking our chicken. So we want 2 organic chicken breasts covered in a little bit of olive oil. I went ahead and made a seasoning mixture ahead of time with cayenne, cumin, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of dried oregano. So I'm gonna sprinkle this mixture on top of the chicken, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. While your chicken's in the oven, it's time to get going on our bomb strawberry salsa. So I chose to make a strawberry salsa for this specific recipe because it pairs perfectly with our medicated oh shit hot sauce. Now that your salsa is done and your chicken's out of the oven, it's really important to make sure that your chicken is cooked to 165 degrees and let it rest for about 10 minutes before you do any shredding. So to shred your chicken, you can use 2 forks or you can use your fingers, which is what I'm gonna do now. To assemble our tacos, we'll need some charred corn tortillas, our Cannabis guacamole, the salsa we made a little bit earlier, and our spicy shredded chicken. Now we're gonna top these tacos with the oh shit hot sauce. Now this hot sauce has 250 milligrams of THC in each bottle, so each dash has about 5 milligrams. And just a reminder, our Cannabis guacamole does have CBD in it, so this recipe is completely infused with CBD and THC. And there you have it. You just went south of the border right in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah. I can't work in these conditions. This is tough. Okay, stop it. Hey everybody, it's Chef Faye. Just a reminder to not consume edibles and drive and to dose responsibly.